In front of me is Oukitel WP36, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluid Slide Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner, choose Consent in the pop-up, and click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Hit Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Yes, and use this gear at the top right corner to adjust all of those settings however you want to. Then go back, select Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it by tapping on one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. When you're finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!